Hello, designers. A bow is the crowning achievement above our gift baskets and boxes and all types of gifts that we make. And bows, as you know, come in many assortments. And I want you to really expand on the kinds of bows you make, but I'm mostly going to talk about the pull bows that are just readily available for any type of basket or box that you make. Here from the gift basket design book, you see a variety of bows. This big red one is made out of a material called punchinello. It may not be very popular today, but it is still a great bow to make and doesn't cost a lot of money. As well as the fabric bows. You can see a double bow here, one atop another, the yellow atop the checked bow, checked ribbon. Here is the netting bow that is in a gold color, and that one's very popular. Again, not expensive to make. And the pull bow, which we absolutely love in certain circumstances. You might not put a pull bow atop everything, but a pull bow still adds glamour to a gift basket or a box, especially when you are making multiples at a certain level of cost, say $30 or more, or $30, around $30. And this is a medium size pull bow. And I'm going to bring some more prominence to pull bows as we go along. So if you are not able to make your bows yet, as this one is made, and this one as well, you'll notice that the larger bows, probably with your customers, make a lot of prominence, bring a lot of prominence to your baskets, and your customers gravitate to the larger bows as well as the taller baskets. So when you are not able to make your bow, as the left bow here is shown, this is a bow that was made, handmade, the larger pull bows can really bring a great prominence to many of your gifts, maybe a little bit more than the medium-sized bow, but it really does depend on the size of the gift. When I was making some gifts for a retail store, and I made them with teacups and saucers, some had the medium-sized bow, and some had the larger pull-size bow, and both of those are pull bows. And the ones that they all sold, but the ones with the larger bow sold quicker because the customer figured that a larger bow for the same price was a better buy. So I do encourage you to consider keeping larger and even medium-sized pull bows within your inventory. This is a pull bow as well, this gold pull bow, and this is not a large gift, but it brings prominence to the gift. And this one was made for a housewarming person who was receiving a housewarming gift with different types of products in it. You can see the Ghirardelli chocolates. There's some chips in here, some cookies and some tea and some other items that you can't see but are in here. But the main point is that the pull bow does bring really nice elegance to many of the gifts that you are making. So keep in mind the pull bow if you are not using them right now. I know that as you mature in your business, a lot of times you will stay with the hand-tied bows, but there are certain circumstances when you're not cutting corners, but when a customer wants multiple gifts that are at a certain amount, talking about price, where a pull bow is going to be better suited for the gift because of the quantity, not just the quantity of the gifts, but because of the price of the gifts. So if a company has a budget of $25 to $25 to $30 a gift, a pull bow may be appropriate for that collection of gifts. And you can see that it's not unattractive. It is, to me, as attractive as the hand-tied bow. The only difference is the hand-tied bow is a print, where the pull bow is a solid color. So keep in mind keeping pull bows in your inventory, whether they are purple or gold or even a checked type, for those quick gifts that you need to make, or for those gifts that you're making before you can make the hand-tied bows. Let me know in the comments if you are using more of your hand-tied bows versus the pull bows, and if the pull bows are still, in a way, pulling their weight in the kinds of orders that you are receiving. This is Shirley George Frazier wishing you baskets of success.